Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you latest working method to recover your Gmail account without using a recovery email or phone number. So just make sure to watch until the end. First, you need to adjust the location's permissions on your phone. Just press on just just press on hold the Google app like this and then choose an app info and then go to permissions and then choose locations and then just set it to don't allow like this and then tap on don't allow anyway. And next just do the same for the Google Chrome. Press and hold and then choose app info, go to app permissions and then choose locations and then tap on don't allow and then confirm like this. And then just go to phone settings and then scroll down until you find Google like this. Just tap on it and then just tap on three dots icon on the top right corner, this one, and then go to helps like this. And then on the help search bar just type terms of service like this and then choose your account is disabled and then just scroll down until you find valid legal request, this one. Just tap on it and then click on here and then just click the links, this one. Then select Google account and then just scroll down until you find how to recover your Google account or Gmail, this one. Just tap on it and then just scroll down on the can sign in for another reasons. Just tap on get help sign in then just choose options you think someone else is using your account and then just scroll down until you find recover your Google account or Gmail, this one. Just tap on it and then just enter your Gmail address and then next. And just like that you should now see success like this. And then from here you can set a new password by just type update password, this one, and then just enter your new password and then confirm it. And okay, that's it. You have just recovered your Gmail account without using recovery email or phone number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.